Hi and welcome back. So the YouTube video that's titled Plants Are Trying to Kill You, Dr. Anthony Chaffee, that was produced by the YouTube channel Anthony Chaffee MD is 1 hour and 45 seconds in duration. Let's break it down and let's just look at the key points that he covered. Dr. Chaffee's transition to the carnivore diet was influenced by his studies in cancer biology and also some personal health challenges. He discovered the potential dangers of plant-based foods, which then led him to eliminate them completely from his diet. This dietary shift resulted in significant health improvements, now prompting him to advocate for the carnivore diet. The video then moves on to what he calls the evolutionary arms race between plants and animals. Here, Dr. Chaffee discusses the evolutionary adaptations of plants to deter predators, including the development of natural toxins. This arms race has led to plants becoming more toxic so they can survive, with animals evolving specific adaptations to counteract these plant defenses. He then moves on to the more concerning topic of natural carcinogens in more common vegetables. Here he talks about the presence of natural carcinogens in vegetables like Brussels sprouts and also spinach. These elements evolved as plant defenses, but can pose health risks to humans, challenging the notion that all plant foods are inherently healthy. He also touches on the demonization of fat and also cholesterol. His discussion here challenges the conventional wisdom that fat and cholesterol are the primary dietary villains. Dr. Chaffee presents evidence suggesting that natural plant toxins can be more carcinogenic and harmful to human health than fats and cholesterol, advocating for a re-evaluation of the current dietary guidelines. He then moves on to the impact of lectins. Lectins, a type of protein found in many plants, are discussed for their potential to cause harm, possibly leading to autoimmune disease, weight gain, and other health issues. Dr. Chaffee explores how lectins interfere with insulin receptors and contribute to inflammation and also other types of disease. Then he talks about the implications of plant toxins on diseases like Parkinson's. Here the conversation touches on the theory that lectins and other plant toxins can contribute to neurological diseases like Parkinson's by travelling along the vagus nerve and then causing some types of brain damage. Dr. Chaffee then shares observations and studies related to managing autoimmune conditions through your diet, indicating that removing lectins and other plant-based irritants from the diet can significantly improve or even reverse some autoimmune conditions, underscoring the importance of dietary choices in managing these particular diseases. Then a topic that has been in the zeitgeist for quite a while now, that being the risks associated with high estrogen foods such as soy. Here he addresses concerns about high estrogen content in soy products and their potential impact on human health, especially in developing children. Dr. Chaffee questions the widespread recommendation of soy-based formulas and also supplements without the mention of the potential risks. His discussion concludes with a critical examination of plant-based diets, highlighting the potential health risks associated with consuming a wide range of plant toxins. Dr. Chaffee advocates for a carnivore diet as a means to improve health outcomes, based on both personal experience and also now on clinical evidence. So I hope you found that interesting and informative, hopefully both. I would be extremely interested to see what you think. I think I know what the vegans think, but I'm sure they're going to tell me again anyway. I'm really more interested in those who have been carnivore for, say, more than 6 months and what benefits they've seen and they've also felt. And I'd also like to see what the omnivores like myself have to say about eradicating plants completely from the diet. Is it something as an omnivore that you may consider?